Hey everybody, this is Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, and notary public. And it feels like the sun is in the back of me, but for some reason it's blinding me. Oh, it's better. Shade. So I'm over at Spectrum Resort, which is in Reunion, and these are the Spectrum condos. Probably the back of the condos are in my viewer. I'm going to give you a little showing of this area, just walk it around a bit. So let's have a look. Over here's the pool. It's really a beautiful day here in Florida. Nice weather. Now some of these are being built and some of these are completed. This is where construction is happening, so I'm going to go back this way. But just to give you an idea of what these buildings look like, really nice looking, very modern looking exteriors, and the interiors are definitely luxury condos. You can see that there's a rooftop on the two-story ones, the two-floor ones. Okay, so this is the lobby clubhouse entrance over at Spectrum at Reunion Resort. I'm gonna go inside and have a look. And let me know what you think in the comments, or shoot me an email. Okay, so you can see when you first walk in, there's a sitting area off to the right. Here's a place to eat, and over here we have, it looks like this is the fitness room. It's a fitness room, but I always call it a gym. I'm so used to calling fitness rooms gyms. Old habit. So here's your gym. And over here is where you check in, especially if you're coming here and using it as a rental. Got a place to sit, watch TV. Nice if you have extra company and you want to bring them out. And over here's your pool. It's nice and empty right now, which is nice. This is that time of day when everybody's out, and typically they're at the theme parks. They're running around Disney, Universal, SeaWorld, International Drive, or they're at work. quiet and peaceful, just how I like it. Let's take a walk down a little further and check out the, I think it's like the hot tub or something. Spa. That's the word. I was looking for, spa. Yep, here's the spa. And down there they're building more. Okay, so I'm inside the two-story model, which is just beautiful and fantastic, and I realize that this video is not going to do it any justice. It really is a beautiful unit. And this is the floor plan for this model. Let's have a look at the kitchen. Now this community is natural gas. Just keep that in mind. Most people seem to like natural gas over electric cooking. These homes come with some really nice looking upgrades, as you could see. Let's go down the hall and have a look. Over here you have your washer and dryer. And this is your hall closet, and as you can see, it's being used to store a few mops and stuff like that. But of course, when this is yours, you can put whatever you want in there. A very large bedroom here. I'm trying to show you where I'm standing. Just so you can see what one of the buildings look like. And over here we have a closet for the master bedroom. Very, very, very high ceilings in here. There's a rain shower head. And then here's your toilet. And we have 2 bedrooms. I'm going to actually just keep going this way. It's a lot easier. And all of these bedrooms do have some nice space. Here's your closet. Again, very, very high ceiling. So this video is not going to do it any justice what it feels like to be standing in here. So I get on some lights. Okay. And in the back of me, you can see there's the bathtub and there's a toilet. And this connects off into another bedroom. Let's take another look at the kitchen off to the right. And the living room to the left. And this is a half bath, and a very large half bath, and you could very easily put some shelves in here. Here's where I'm standing. You could very easily put some shelves on the walls or put one of those shelves on the floor. And this is where the elevator is. So you got an elevator door. Easy access. Let's go up to the second floor and have a look. It's a decent amount of stairs, not too bad though. And then over here you have a landing. Here's your view of the first floor. You can see a kitchen and living room area. Now the ceilings over here are not as high, but they still are pretty high. They're at least, I would say, at least 10 feet or more. Normally if it's like a 9-foot ceiling, I could reach the ceiling when I stand on my toes, but here I can't. Here's your air conditioning unit. HVAC. And here we have a beautiful bathroom. And this bathroom connects to a bedroom. This room up here, in my opinion, this is like the executive suite. Anybody that would stay up here, I mean, it's just fantastic. And here's your rooftop sitting area. If you have any questions about over here or any place else, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent